Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the adapter physically and logically visible. Insert the dongle or enable the internal radio and BIOS, then open Device Manager to confirm the adapter shows up. If Windows flags a driver icon, right-click and choose Update Driver so the system can fetch a compatible package. On Mac OS, go to System Report. Once done, note the adapter model because you may need it for specific drivers or firmware. This prevents surprises before pairing devices. Now you get the software side correct so pairing will succeed. Install the vendor driver or accept the driver from Windows Update. This ensures proper profiles like A2DP and HID are available. Next, open Bluetooth settings and toggle Bluetooth on, then set the adapter to discoverable so other gadgets can see it. Make sure related services or daemons are running. If a service is stopped, start it. This step turns the adapter from recognized hardware into an active radio ready for connections. Finish by pairing and verifying the connection. Open Add Device or Pair New Device, select your gadget, and confirm any PIN prompts on both ends. Once paired, test the function you need. Play audio, transfer a file, or type with a paired keyboard, and set the device as default if required. If something goes wrong, restart the adapter and your laptop, then update drivers and check that both devices support the same Bluetooth profiles and versions. This single compatibility check often fixes stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.